Warning, the motorcycle tricks you're about to see can be mastered in minutes. The consequences are dope. Dire.
What a hilarious way to park. Learn simply by coming to a stop using only the rear brake while turning 90 degrees.
Then do it with more lean, keeping your foot out and ready to catch the bike as it stops. Once more, only give the pedal a little stomp at the finish.
From here, it's just escalation. A little faster, a little more skid. A little faster, a little more skid. Until
Of course, one never escalates beyond the posted speed limit. Unfortunately, a leaf stuck to my dash during this shot. Otherwise, you could totally verify my compliance.
foot down, head over shoulder, full lock, full lean, build revs, dump clutch.
As previous, this could be done anywhere. As previous, it's easiest to learn on hard, dusty surfaces, like Saskatchewan. But unlike the previous skill,
you can't work your way up to this one. And any hesitation on the power, and the rear tire won't spin fast enough to break traction. So the motorcycle either runs away from beneath you, or you grab the front brake in a misguided attempt to rein it in, shifting weight here, where you inevitably drop the bike. Nah, like removing a scrotal band-aid, this is one of those skills where reckless commitment actually makes it easier.
Miss Whitney tells me he wants a private room.
Strict professionalism requires me to mention that putting Tim Horton on the Italian job results in a practical U-turn. And it's out of sober diligence, not hooliganism, that I mentioned leaning onto the rear tire rather than inside of it. Said technique will pivot turn the dirt bike out of even tighter spots, but now we've strayed a bit far into the woods.
Right, back on track with a classic motorcycle trick that benefits all types of riders.
Everyone and their librarian gets on via the side stand peg, but it's possible to climb over the abyss of that other peg. Most motorcycles can be scaled straight from the back, or walked onto right up front.
Imagine a line from tire to tire, dragged into a rectangle as far as the stand. As long as you hang your weight over that area, you're a feather-footed elf. You will not knock it over. Whether unconventional mounting makes you a guru or a goofball, well, it depends on the friends you keep. But understanding the balance of your motorcycle is worth more than quirky tricks. If this is an unwieldy 500 pounds that I need to muscle into line, I should rightly be afraid of it. But if I can hold it with 2 fingers, try this. You'll see that finesse and balance is how the pros make it look effortless. You may ride like God Almighty, but who's there to witness your magnificence mid-ride? Well, no one. Not up close, not for long. What riding buddies really appraise of each other is all those stops and starts.
This trick again requires balance training. How long can you stand stationary? Without hands? One-legged? It looks goofy, but it's all good.
Once you're comfortable doing this kind of thing. Just add some subtlety with the clutch. Of course, a great escape is not the manufacturer recommended way to set off, so we'll have to censor our stunt rider's identity. Excellent. Clearly, there's no need to do any of this. Stepping off a rolling motorcycle is riskier than the alternative, and if I look baller for a moment, that's only before I realize the key is draining my battery.
But playing with your bike is the best way to intimately know it. So let's play. Pull the clutch, switch side saddle. This counterbalances the bike to lean away from you, creating clearance to drop the kickstand with your free leg. Come to a stop, betraying a slight bias to the kickstand side, and walk away, Johnny. Warnings. Dropping the kickstand may not kill every engine. In these cases, flick the switch. Do not avoid clutch work by choosing neutral. First gear stops the bike from rolling away as you step off. Side effects of a slick dismount include increased sexual partners.
And that's 5 small motorcycle skills for big improvement. Only attempt with a trained professional nearby.
Never mind. To learn this stuff, just armor yourself with stiff gear and a loose sense of humor. And remember, an immaculate motorcycle is the sign of a good rider, but a beat-up motorcycle is the sign of the best.
What a tragedy.